Today I'd like to show you this PGYTECH CapLock magnetic mount that I purchased a few weeks ago and have been using ever since with all of my action cameras. This product provides an incredibly secure mount to any metal surface because of this heavy-duty magnet on the bottom, as well as 360 degrees of adjustment for your action camera with its dual ball head design, and it has the CapLock system on the top, which allows you to very quickly attach and detach your action camera. And I'll get into all those details in a minute, but first I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit, and then I'll dive into the details. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the magnetic mount, and on the top is that CapLock system I mentioned a minute ago, which allows you to quickly mount and dismount your cameras because it has a base and it has an adapter. And the adapter has a 1/4" 20 threaded stud on the top, so if your action camera uses that type of mount, you can attach this right to the bottom of your action camera and snap it into the base. If you have another camera that uses a 3-finger mount, like a lot of the action cameras do, they also include an adapter for a 3-finger mount and the nut to hold the camera on the adapter. So just slide your camera in there, tighten this nut, and then mount this on the adapter. They also include an Allen wrench because the adapter on the bottom actually has a port in the center for an Allen wrench. It's got a slit where you can use a flathead screwdriver, or you can even use a dime to tighten this onto your action camera. But I think it's nice to include the Allen wrench so you can really tighten that up, make sure the camera's not going to wobble around. You'll also find an instruction manual in the box which explains everything you could possibly want to know about the product, and 2 stickers you can use to advertise the fact that you like PGYTECH. You can put those on your case, you can put them on your car, whatever you like. All right, so let's talk about the base. The first thing I thought about with this was the size of the magnet, because when I saw this, I thought, boy, that magnet's kind of small. Is that really going to hold it to the side of my car? If I put an action camera on the top of this, is it going to move? Is it going to fall off? Well, it turns out that magnetic technology has changed an awful lot in the last couple of years, and the chemistry's been improved to the point where you can have a smaller magnet that's a lot more powerful than magnets that were released a couple of years ago. So it is a smaller magnet, but I'm here to tell you, when you get this close to a magnetic surface, it's going to literally jump out of your hand to attach onto the side of your car. And I had to actually work the first time I used it to get off the side of the car because it really stuck on there well. Another thing they did was add this kind of rubberized surface to the bottom, which does 2 things. One, when it's on the side of your car and you're driving down the road at 40 miles an hour, it's not going to slide along the surface of your car. It's going to help, because of the friction, it's going to help hold it in place. It also protects the surface because it's not going to scratch the side of your car once you stick it to that metal piece on the side. All right, so the base is strong. I really like the centerpiece because they've included 2 ball heads, like I mentioned a minute ago, with a single knob. Now, a lot of these have a knob on the bottom and a knob on the top, and you're always fiddling with the knobs. With this one, it's a single knob. So if I loosen the knob, watch what happens. Everything's loose. So the top ball head's loose, the bottom ball head's loose. I can spin it around as I need to, find that perfect angle, as bizarre as it might be. And once I'm happy with the angle, all I have to do is tighten this one knob finger tight, and both of those ball heads lock up, so it's exactly going to be in that position. It's not going to move, so it works really well. I like that because it's a quick adjustment. And then when I talk about the CapLock system on the top, what PGYTECH has done here is design their own proprietary mounting system. So once you mount this to your action camera, you can slide it in here, you can slide it out. They also make other mounts that have suction cups. I have one of those that I use on a windshield or a side window. They make a triple suction cup mount if you've got to, really secure it to your car because you're, driving faster than you normally do, or you're just worried about it popping off. The triple suction cup mount works really well. They also make a lanyard you can slide it into, and a couple of other mounts. So once you invest in this and you're using that CapLock system, you've got a couple of other options that you can use with that particular mount, and I like that. They actually make an adapter for a tripod as well, because I use my action cameras on a tripod. I'll just snap it off here and snap it on that. Now the way this works is, once the base is attached, let me actually put this action camera 3-finger mount on here. It'll be easier to show you. So let me attach this to the bottom. But essentially there's a lock and unlock position on the unit. On the back here you'll see a little lever. It's lock or unlock. You flip it between the 2. And when it's unlocked, you can snap this in directly to the top, just like this. Now, once it's in there, you can lock it, and then it won't pop out. So right now it's mounted. There's your action camera. Again, you can position this anywhere you need to, and it's not going anywhere. It's not coming out. And this button on the back is locked, so I can't push that in. If I want to remove it, I put it in the unlock position, push the button, then I can slide the mount right off. It's just that quick. Slide it onto another mount, or if I've got another camera, I can slide that second camera on. Again, just line it up, click it in, and then make sure you lock it. And once that's locked, it's like the base and the adapter are all one piece. It's not going anywhere. And this is the magnetic portion of it. If I've got a magnetic mount and I've got a suction cup mount on the window, I can very easily unlock the camera, push the button, slide this off, slide it onto the suction cup, slide it onto the lanyard around my neck, slide it onto a tripod. So that mounting system really makes it easy to move that camera around between different systems, because one of the headaches of action cameras is this action, you know, mounting it, unmounting it, mounting it, unmounting it, especially if you're using a 1/4" 20. It's a tedious process that this completely eliminates. So for me, I'm using this CapLock system on my action cameras. I have 2 action cameras that I use all the time. I have a 360-degree camera and a standard action camera. Both of them have that mount on it. So when I'm heading out to do a little bit of filming, I can snap in the 360 or snap in the regular action camera, and it takes me about 30 seconds to get set up and get out on the road and start recording. So I like this system an awful lot. I think they've really thought it through. Everything about this is heavy duty. The magnet is incredibly powerful. Let me show you how that works, because I've got just a piece of metal here. Watch how this attracts to the metal. I didn't push it. It flew out of my hand there. And to get this loose, I'm not going to overdo this, but to get this loose, you've really got to work to get that off the side. So it's going to stick great. Now, if you're on a hood, let's say the front of your car, you want to stick it to that. Boy, it sticks right to the hood. You can make your adjustment for the action camera, and then you're ready to go. And it's not going off. You've really got to twist it to get it off that particular surface. So I think they've done a great job with it. I really like the ease of adjustment for the 360. I really like that CapLock system on the top, because again, I can move between cameras really quickly. And this magnet is still amazing to me, that a magnet that size can have that level of attraction. So that's pretty much all I had for today. I hope you've enjoyed the review.